Welcome back, guys. Hope you'll enjoy today's video too. Stay safe.
What are you doing?
March 19th to the 23rd.
A condo, motorhome, reno package, or cash. The early bird choice is yours in the St. Boniface Hospital Mega Million Choices Lottery.
It's our richest early bird draw ever, worth over $260,000.
With 25 additional winners of $500 cash.
Somebody's going to win it. Why not you? Say yes to St. Boniface.
Sanctuary cities in New York City. If they would have gave us over the killer of Lincoln Riley when he got arrested in New York City for endangering a child, he would have been in jail. They would have
Bad, bro.
Sanctuary responsible.
Bad. What the f are you doing there?
Thousands of young children.
Get ahead of me.
With the Supreme Court, that's what President Trump wanted to do. He will end sanctuary.
Like, why even pull out if you can't go, stupid?
Right now.
Is it red? Bro, go shirt on it.
Hey, I'm going home though. I don't know where you're going.
now. I would have loved if they, after the fire, they reopened it and they had Jim Carrey come in with a comically large pair of scissors.
Oh my God!
They're like, what? That's a 30-year-old difference.
Could have also come out of the bathroom as Fire Marshal Bill.
Solo and Respect. He played his sax on Yakety Yak by the Coasters. In fact, he played on records by Buddy Holly and Fats Domino and Sam Cooke. But
come on, it's a red light.
Andy Williams, the Rascals,
You
John
going?
Lennon.
One a few times. I even mentioned
What the f are you doing?
Why are you talking about life insurance at 24?
Jesus, job.
Okay, Garmin, save video.
Oh my God! Jeez!
Well, folks, that's all we got for today. Thanks for watching. Until next time.